continuing our subtraction with regrouping. This is our last day we're going to spend on that. So let's just jump right into it. They have given us 64 minus 6, and they want us to stack it, so we'll do it that way first. So we're going to move our 64. We have 6 tens and 4 ones in 64 minus 6. We have 0 tens and 6 ones in the number 6. So 64 minus 6. If I have 4, can I take 6 away? I cannot. So what do I have to do? Blow it in your hand? Release it? Good job. I have to borrow. So my 4 becomes a 14 because I borrowed a 10 from my 6 and added it to my 4. My 6 has to roll back to a 5 because I borrowed a 10 and added it to my 4, and that left me with just 5 tens. All right, now I can do the math. 14 minus 6 is, yell it out. Good job, 8. 5 minus 0, 5. So 64 minus 6, 58. Okay, we can also branch this out. 64 minus 6. Now remember, I can't break it down to 60 and 4 because when I circle up, I can't say 4 take away 6. I can't do that. So I have to back this 6 up to a 5, and this becomes 50. Okay, I have 5 tens and 0 ones. I'm going to take the 10 that I borrowed to make that 14 and add it to my 4. So I took a 10 away from the 6 and added it to my 4 and gave me 14. When I took that 10 away, that 60 became a 50. So I created a number bond. 50 plus 14 is 64. Okay? Now when I circle up 14 minus 6, I can do that. And what is 14 minus 6? It is 8. Now, have I used my 50? I have not. I have to use it. I can't just leave it out. I got to do something with it, so I bring it down. I have my new number here, my 8, and I have to add it to my 50. 64 minus 6 is 58. All right, it's the same concept. We did the same math. We had to borrow and add to make that 4 a 14, and that 6 became a 5, which made this 5 tens and 0 ones. Just like we did over here, it just looks different, okay? All right, we'll do one more practice problem, and then we'll get into our workbook. We'll do 71 minus 56. So we'll stack it first. 71, 7 tens, 1 1 minus 56, 5 tens, 6 ones. If I have 1, can I take 6 away? I cannot. I need to do what? Blow it into your hand? Release it. Borrow. Good job. When I borrow, my 1 becomes 11 because I added 10 to it. My 7 rolls back to a 6 because I borrowed a 10 from that 7 and gave it to my 1. Now I can do the math. 11 take away 6 is, good job, 5. 6 take away 5 is 1. Good job. 71 minus 56 is 15. We can work it out to branch it. 71 minus 56. Because this is a 2-digit number, we have to branch it out too. We have to branch out both numbers. Now remember, I can't do 70 and 1. Okay, because that 1, let me just show you. If I do 70 and 1, and then I do 50 and 6, I can do 70 take away 50. I can do my 10s. But if I try to do my 1s, 1 minus 6, that won't work. So, when I branch out, I have to regroup. So, I have to bump back that 7. I'm going to borrow a 10 from my 7 tens and give it to my 1. So, if I take 1 10 from those 7, that 7 becomes a 6. 6 tens is 60. Now, I borrowed a 10 from the 7 and added it to my 1. So, 10 plus 1 more is 11. Okay? 60 plus 11 gives me 71. So I borrowed a 10 from my 7 tens and gave it to my 1 and got 11. That gave me 60, 6 tens left, which is 60. Now I need to branch this one out. I can branch this one out like normal, 50 and 6, because I can do this math and I'm going to show you how. First, we're going to subtract our tens, 60 and 5. 60 take away 50 is, yell it out, 10, good job. Now my ones, subtract 11, take away 6. What is 11 minus 6? 5. Now, these are my two new numbers. I need to add those up. 10 and 5 more is 15. 71 minus 56 is 15. It's the same math, it just looks different. Okay, we regrouped here, we regrouped here. We have 11 minus 6 here, we have 11 minus 6 here. We have 6 minus 5, but it's in our tens, so that would be 60 minus 50. 6 tens is 60, 5 tens is 50, 60 minus 50. Alright, let's jump into our workbook pages. And today we are up to workbook page 175. So find workbook page 175 in your math workbook, which is your fish book. There we go. It looks like this. Now this says chapter review / test. So this goes through everything we've learned so far. It'll be addition and subtraction with and without regrouping. Alright? 56 plus 3. You can stack that up, or you can pop 56 into your head and count up 3. Let's do that. 56 in my head, 56, 57, 58, 59. 56 plus 3 is 59. If you want to stack it, you can. 6 plus 3 is 9. 5 plus 0 is 5. 30 plus 50. Let's stack this one up since it's two double digits. 0 plus 0 is, yell it out. 0, good job. 3 plus 5 is, yell it out. 8, great job. 30 plus 50 is 80. And I'm writing 50 because I'm getting carried away. 80. Alright, 47 plus 30. We have two double-digit numbers. Let's stack that up. 47 plus 30. 7 plus 0. 7. 4 plus 3. 7. 47 plus 30. 77. 61 plus 14. Let's stack it up. 1 plus 4. 1 plus 4 is, yell it out. 5, good job. 6 plus 1 is, yell it out. 7. 61 plus 14 is 75. 74 plus 9. I bet we're going to have to regroup on this addition. Let's stack it up. 74 plus 9. Remember, when we regroup in addition, we have to carry, okay? So 9 plus 4. What is 9 and 4 more? Good job. 13. We can pop 9 in our head and count up 4. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. My 3 stays in the ones column. I carry my 1 over because the number 13 has 1 10 in my tens column and 3 ones in my ones column. Now I have 1 plus 7. What is 1 plus 7? 8. Great job. 74 plus 9 is 83. All right, 53 plus 27. Let's stack this one up. 53 plus 27. What is 3 plus 7 more? Yell it out. 10. Very good. We keep our 0 in our 1 spot. Carry our 1 to our tens column. Now we have 1 plus 5 plus 2. We start at the top and work our way down. 1 plus 5 is 6. Plus 2 more. 6 plus 2 is, yell it out, 8. Very good. 53 plus 27 is 80. All right, flip your page. Flip your page to 176. There we go. More balloons, more math. All right, this is all subtraction. Some will be with regrouping and some will be without regrouping. Oh, that's blurry. All right, let it reset. There we go, that's better. All right, 67 minus 5. Let's stack this up. 67 minus 5. 7 take away 5 is, yell it out. Good job, 2. 6 take away nothing is 6. 67 minus 5 is 62. 80 take away 20. Let's stack this one up. 80 take away 20. 0 minus 0 is 0. Good job. 8 minus 2, 6. Good job. All right, let's stack this one up. 93 minus 20. 93 take away 20. 3 minus 0 is, yell it out. Good job. 9 take away 2 is, yell it out. 7, excellent. 93 minus 20, 73. I'm going to do one more with you, then I'm going to let you do the bottom two all by yourself. 87 minus 11. 87 minus 11. 7 minus 1 is, yell it out. 7 take away 1, 6. 8 take away 1 is, good job, 7. 87 minus 11 is 76. All right, these last two, you're going to have to regroup. You're going to have to borrow. You know how to do that. This is easy peasy lemon squeezy for you guys. So do those last two. Today was a short lesson because it was a wrap up on our numbers to 100 with addition and subtraction. So I hope you learned a lot. I hope you got it. If you don't, you have any questions, shoot me an email. I'll be glad to help you out. Bye guys. Have a great weekend.